Hello, welcome back to Pavilion Leisure Centre Byw'n Iach in Barmouth. It's good to see you back. As you can see, there'll be various different signs dotted around the centre to help you with the experience. Important that when you enter the building you wear your mask, and now we'll go off to the reception on our journey. Okay, when you enter the centre, you'll see the hand sanitizer. Important that you clean your hands before entering the building. Just squeeze the bottom with your foot and clean front and back of your hands. Once that's done, if you follow the markers on the floor to reception and take it from there. When you've got to reception, you need to, with your card, you need to swipe to record your attendance and then to your session. It's important that when you enter the centre you follow the one-way system at all times. When you're in the gym, please be aware of social distancing. After using the machine, it's very important that you clean it. So after your session, this is the way out. Thank you and welcome back.